Well, hello. Today's video, I'm going to focus on harvesting these worm castings. So my process today, I'm going to try to first sift them with my large sifter right here. And then once that is done, I will re-sift it into this to get the smallest, finest worm castings that are available. So I will not bore you, and I will let you know how long this takes to do. So right now it is 11:46, and I will get back with you in a few minutes. Well, here's the final results of the worm castings that I sifted through. I got done around 12:23. I only used this one here. I thought I was going to use this extra one, but I think that is fine enough for my customers, so they'll be happy with what they get. A little bit of the excessive leftover compost that needs to go back into my worm bins. That's a little extra too. Some of it was still damp, so it did not sift the way I thought it would. Leftover worms are in here that will go back into my worm bin number 2. I'm about to weigh out 5 pounds. For my customer, once this thing zeroes out. As you continue watching this video, I made a huge epic fail. I weighed the product in ounces instead of pounds, so I'm going to give her the right amount. So let me zero the scale. Choose 0, it's zeroed. 6.6 is about the right amount. I gave her extra because the box weighed a little bit, and what I did, put some newspaper on the bottom of the box, the castings on, and then the paper on top to keep it moist, and just in case there's some worms in there, it will allow them to have some extra food. Well, here's the final results. I got done at 12:23. I think these are fine enough. I only use this one here. I did not have to use this one because I think that is good enough for my customers. They're going to be happy with the castings that they get. A little bit of leftover things that need to be placed back into the bin. Some of this is still kind of wet, so I was not able to sift it. Some leftover worms here that will go back into my worm bin number 2. My scale is going to be weighed to 5 pounds, but I'm outside, so we will make it work. They'll have a little bit extra, so let's see what's going on. She has 5 pounds, so I'm going to give her 6 just to give her some extra. Well, that's it for now, guys. You guys have a great day.